Student, as we have discussed, okay, lightly in previous video, that the hydrocarbons are classified as saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. So I am picking the first one, saturated hydrocarbon. If organic compound having carbon and hydrogen only, in which all four valencies of carbon are satisfied by four different atoms or same atoms. That is, simply we can say, okay, carbon forms four bonds with other atoms, and all four bonds are single bonds. That is, only single bond is present. Simply what? Carbon forms four bonds, but all must be what? Single bonds. These are called saturated hydrocarbons. Okay, being only single bond is present, are present, hence such compounds are comparatively more stable. Getting? The example of saturated compound are called alkane. Alkane. Getting? Its general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Okay, so with the help of this general formula, we can express what? Alkane. Here N is equal to number of atoms. Okay, like if N is equal to 1, then it becomes C, and besides of N you can write 1, then H2, okay, into again what? 1 plus 2 is equal to, it will become C1, okay, and 2 into 1, what? 2 plus 2, CnH2n plus 2. So 2 into 1 plus 2, that is what? H4. So the first carbon containing compound becomes simply what? CH4. If you took N is equal to 5, getting? Then it will become CH2 plus 2, and place the value of N. This is what? 5 multiplied by 5. So now it becomes what? C and what? 5. 2 5 is 10 plus 2, 12. That is what? H. And this is become what? 12. So Cn H2N plus 2. By placing the value, it will become C5H12. Okay. Nomenclature. Nomenclature, we will see which nomenclature? IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, that is International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay, this is called IUPAC nomenclature. Getting? Word root plus suffix. Word root plus suffix. The IUPAC nomenclature consists two very important things: word root plus suffix. Like for saturated hydrocarbon, the word root is given what? Alk. Okay, and for saturated, it is given ANE. Thus, the saturated hydrocarbons are given the name what? Alkane. Thus, we have taken the example of what? Alkane. Okay, here alk, okay, depends on number of carbon atom or atoms. Like if C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9 and C10, then the C1 is given the name meat, C2 is given the name eat, C3 is given the name prop, C4 is given the name bute, C5 is given the name pent, C6 is given the name hex, and C7 is given the name sept. Okay, it is also termed as hept. C8 is given the name oct, C9 is given the name non, and C10 is given the name dec or deca. Now this is become what? Word root. Okay, and now add. Okay, add what? Suffix. And what is the suffix? Suffix is ANE. So 5 carbon containing compound which are having single bonds only will be given the name what? Pent. This is become what? Pent. And the what is the suffix here? Suffix is N. So right here